What's up, guys? Here I have my Diablo. Today we're gonna be changing out the sleeve, changing out this part. It's already worn out, as you can see it. You see inside these teeth. So I got a brand new one. This is kind of what it looks like. So this goes inside of there like that. These are the exact same teeth as those ones, but those are already worn out. They're not even touching each other. I got this sleeve from my friend Xavier. Shout out to him. Got it on Friday. And I decided to change it today, Tuesday, just because we have Golden Corral tonight and I don't want something bad to happen and not be able to finish the job. So let's get it fixed. Unscrew right here, and then the other screw. First time doing this from Harbor Freight. Now we need 3/16. Let's see. Wow. It's tight. Oh, it came out. There's not a screw right here. Well, that was very easy to take off. Wow. Okay. Oh, wow, that is super easy. Well, it's because this is not rusted at all, so it's actually taken care of very well. Wow, this is actually pretty messed up. Make sure that this is lined up. Well, wow, this does not even look that bad. I mean, it is worn out, but it's not as bad. I think what we have to do is get this closer. So that's maybe what was loosening it up. Where the teeth go, you see that around. This is the back of my engine. And this is the back of the blower. All right, let's put the new one. And one thing that I learned was that the teeth where it like separates and stuff should be lined up with this screw and this screw. That way it could all be lined up. And then right here behind there, there's a little lock. It's screwed in, kind of holds it in place. So now I gotta just push this together, make sure it's tight. Ready? Okay, so that's that little lock I was talking about. You say to always put this one down. That's what we're gonna do first. Make sure these are tight too. Now the crowbar, need it right here. Oh, I saw that. Well, that's back in there. Now this is gonna go on there. We'll just tighten it. It has to be really tight. Just gotta make sure that everything is pretty straight. Has to be leveled, or else it's gonna start wasting these badly. And then look, see, there's no more lag in the back. Let's start it. If it catches on fire, my fault. It's good. What do you guys think? Well, we'll find out tonight. If it goes flying, then we did it wrong. But there you go, guys. El Diablo truck mount sleeve replacement.